Phenyl is a thing we use that for keeping our rooms, washrooms and others clean and germs free. So today's video is on the processing or making of phenyl. These are the points, basic points given on which the processing will be written. And now come to the main writing. Phenyl is well known cleaner to clean rooms, washrooms, and others. This is the introductory line. We have to give an introductory line in the beginning of a writing, and this is the introductory line through which we introduce actually what is phenyl. Phenyl is prepared through a number of steps. First, castor oil is boiled in a big pot and crushed resin is mixed with it. All the sentences in this processing will be written in passive voice because we know that process writing is done by writing passive voice, not in active voice. Most of the sentences will be in passive voice. Then the mixture is allowed to cool for some time. Then a caustic soda solution is added to this mixture and it is stirred for some time. Here we have to use add to. Add to means give. Then caustic soda is given to the mixture and it is stirred. And stirred means here move slowly with a spoon. Move the solution with a spoon. This means stir. And the solution is stirred for some time. Then some creosote oil is poured into this and it is left for 10 minutes. Creosote oil is a type of oil and it is given in the mixture and it is left for 10 minutes. In the next step, carbolic acid and potassium permanganate are mixed with it. These are the two substances and in the next step these two substances are added. Next, some water is poured in the mixture and the mixture is stirred constantly. Now the mixture is kept for 24 hours and phenyl is made. Finally, phenyl is poured into bottles and labeled for sale. So, this was today's processing on making phenyl. If this video is useful to you, please give a like for this video and share this to your friends and relatives. Thank you. We are meeting in the next video.